Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial the 5 terminal commands you may require to change directory on terminal. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and the command prompt, which is terminal. To access terminal, we can use the spotlight search, command and space, and then search for terminal. Click on this, open that up. Increase the size of the terminal window. And now to change directory, we can insert CD. Now we are able to list what we have in the directory, ls, to change to documents, CD, documents, tab, to autofill. And now we are in documents, ls again. If we go to grids for the moment, print working directory to see where we are. To go back to computer science videos or documents, CD, ... takes us up one parent directory, ls, go back to grids. So now to go back to computer science videos, CD, ... We are now in computer science videos, ls, and now to change directories and list the contents in the directories, CD, documents / semicolon ls -l. And now we are in documents and have listed what is available in documents. So the first command was CD, yes. The second command was CD documents. The third command was CD ... The fourth command was CD ... And the fifth command was CD documents / semicolon ls -l. So we can quit terminal. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.